Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to delete payment method on Temu. To delete a payment method on Temu, first of all, launch Open Temu application from your app drawer. From the main homepage after logging in, go ahead and tap on the U button at the bottom. This will then open up this U interface, where you'll need to tap on the gear button at the top right corner of the screen. Now you'll open up the settings menu from where tap on your payment methods. You will be able to see the added payment methods on the page. Tap on edit right next to the payment method and then tap on delete card at the bottom. Tap on delete this card once again on the next page. Select a region why you are trying to delete your payment method and then tap on confirm. And that way you will be able to delete your payment method or your credit or debit card from Temu. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.